Wake up alarm clock to wake up. So here you can just see heavy sleepers stop snoozing. This is a trending alarm app which is getting some popularity. It's an alarm clock built to help you actually get out of bed. Instead of tapping snooze and falling back asleep, you wake up with a mission that must be complete before alarm turns off. So yeah, choose a mission before bed. When alarm rings, complete the task. The alarm only stops when the mission is done. So mission examples: do push-ups, take photo of the sky, make your bed, find a random object, read a Bible verse, read an affirmation aloud. And of course, this is now possible because of AI, which can basically check your missions, whether you completed them or no. So here is for some reason it's just not loading, but